Hi, my name's Peter. I'm from Quainton in Buckinghamshire. This is all really quite new to me. I'm a new lawn enthusiast. Whilst getting into understanding how to look after my lawn and how to care for it better, I came across Allett, and hence I'm here today to see what else I can learn. What I hope to learn from today was really a little bit more how to look after my lawn. I think I know how to cut the grass, but I'm hopeful of learning a little bit more about how I can care for it and maintain it and make it the best possible lawn I could have. My favourite part of the day today has been the practical work outside with Richard, learning how to do everything from scarifying to aerating to top dressing, and really understanding how to bring a lawn back to life really if it started to have a bit of a hard time with you. I'd certainly recommend the course to others. It's been a really informative day with a bunch of really like-minded people. It's been good fun, bit of banter, so yeah, absolutely recommend it to anybody who's got an interest.